project idea, winter scene with animated lights. I'm starting with a radial fill. I've used white and a grayish blue-green color. Now I'm going to use the smudge pen to turn the fill into a landscape. Next I take the dark color by doing a long press. I will draw some small trees on the horizon line. Next I lower the value of the color, and I make my paintbrush slightly bigger. Then I draw a new line of trees that are slightly taller. I keep making the value darker and the brush bigger, and I draw a new line of trees that slightly overlaps the last. The darker values, larger sizes, and overlapping all work to add a sense of depth to this picture. Next I will add some holiday lights. I will make another layer to draw the lights on. The new layer is here. I will use the Glow Airbrush tool. Instead of putting the lights on randomly, I try to put them on in lines. I actually drew the lines first to look like wires. All the lights that I am drawing are on this layer. If this layer is visible, you can see the lights. If the layer is not visible, you cannot see the lights. By switching the visibility, I can turn the lights off and on. Here's how to make a super simple animation with these lights. Turn on the time-lapse recording. The time-lapse recording feature makes a video of what you draw, so I will let it record me turning the lights off and on. Click here again to finish the recording. Then click here. The video is now in my photo library, but it blinks really fast. I will use the iMovie app to slow it down and add music. First I will make a new movie project. Then I'll find the animation video I just made. Click the video to select it. Then click Speed. Drag the speed slider to the left toward the turtle. Now the lights blink slower. Now let's add some music. Click Audio, then Soundtracks. iMovie has a lot of songs that are free to use. Now I will save the movie. You can do a lot with free apps for the iPad. Try it out.